Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, so wanted to
I'm back!
My mom is back, you guys. She had so much fun doing the Christmas cocktail that we did, the ornamentinis. So she wanted to come back and do another cocktail. And we thought we'd do another champagne-based cocktail because it is our favorite. It's our favorite.
It's our favorite. Little bottles, big bottles, all brands.
So we're going to do a super fun St. Patrick's Day drink, and it's going to be, we have Prosecco, and I have some fresh squeezed orange juice. I have a little orange tree out back, so I squeezed this orange juice, and then the recipe called for blue Curaçao, and I told my mom, and she said that she did not like blue Curaçao. So I got this blue raspberry water enhancer, and that'll make it a little bit green. So we want to make this green and festive for St. Patrick's Day. So we'll get this drink going so that we can have one. And it's very nice having an assistant here, even though she's a little goofy.
Mixed response, supposedly.
All right, we're gonna add in our orange juice.
Not green yet.
Oh, it will be. And then a little splash, since we couldn't use blue Curaçao, of this. It's turning green. What do you think?
I think we need to mix it a little more.
Let's get a straw. That looks like a green mimosa to me. Let's try it.
I already tried it.
Of course. Cheers. Sweet with this blueberry. What do you think?
I like all champagne.
I think we can have a few of these. Hope you all have a great St. Patrick's Day. Mom will be back sometime again soon for another cocktail for you guys. We'll see you next time.